not in the survival stage. For them, the journey
Medium,
has
medium.
been a spark, a flicker now primed to flare into something more. Meanwhile, Vampire Esports ignited fans with 4 chicken dinners and a consistent top 4 finishes, leading Group Yellow in chicken dinners
Middle
outside of the top 3 teams. Known for
Rui.
disciplined rotations,
Rui.
effective entry
Mm.
strategies,
Haris
and
Kala,
expert
merhaba.
they're one of
105 টাকা।
Thailand's most respected squads. Yet the
Neta de.
so-called group of death spared
Must
no
on
mercy
it.
as other teams surged with last-minute victories, pushing Vampire Esports down to 7th place. As two-time EMWI champions, their mission is
Top
clear:
three the
survive. As
তোকে নিয়ে যাওয়া যাবে না
Ah,
তোকে
কো।
নিয়ে যাবে না।
among the
ঠোঁট
final
নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, ঠোঁট।
কই হিট কই দেখাও দেখাও দেখাও
Knights reclaim their spot
বাবা
on the
এদিক
group
দেখাও
stage and keep their flame
আরে
burning
ভাই
for
নিজে ফিরতি আয়
In Group Red, teams fought tooth and nail for a place in
নেটটা দিবি না,
survival
সেই
stage.
ওই যে নেট এই যে তোমার পিছে
ASIA began the group stage strong, leading with top 3 placements in the first few days. Known for their powerful attacks, ASIA boasted the highest elimination count in their group, with 117 eliminations.
আর বেরিয়ে
Marking
এরকম
them
দাঁড়ায়
as
ছিল
one of the most aggressive teams to
দম
watch.
দিয়ে
Yet despite their
আসলে হয়ে গেছে।
firepower, they were narrowly pushed